कैसी हो जानू?
I am not good.
Why?
Why? Because तुमको बहुत याद करती हूँ.
Huh?
तुमको बहुत याद करती हूँ. This is
Oh
my
my
Código, you know?
Thank you.
I miss you, Asi.
Miss you.
Now I am happy. मैं happy.
I am coming.
Yeah. You come? When you will come?
You give me na inbox WhatsApp number. I will WhatsApp you. Hello, hi. You send me location coming.
I will send you my location, okay? I will give you my number and then you will come. Tomorrow, me off.
Bus two, but only two. Bus live coming.
Yeah, bus live coming. No,
You are home. You want?
come. You come. Come.
You show me your home.
No.
Now room. Bus one by one.
Sure, one by one.
You one by one bus only.
Yeah.
अल्लाह मेरे निकीर नजर आ रहे हैं इधर से स्टार्ट करूँ यस how are you इधर से स्टार्ट करूँ
मैं ठीक हूँ. बस I miss you so much.
miss you my heart
But I heard you that you're saying I love you to anyone.
I love you too of my darling
You are my darling. I am your darling now.
you my darling
Oh my darling, I love you. Oh my darling,
I love you I love you
I tell
I love you
Nilalu what to do.
Allah
Wasim,
yes
you are my Jan. You know what? I put it in the what's this? Urdu. I will tell you something. This one. आपको पता है जान
anak mo
कल रात अब मेरे सपने में आई थी.
सच में
है.
अल्लाह अल्लाह
Yes.
फिर क्या किया हम दोनों ने
Yeah, you are in my dream yesterday.
नहीं ख्वाब में क्या किया हम दोनों ने
Because maybe I think too much about you, that's why.
नहीं you sleeping this is you stand up what is this you problem
My problem? नहीं,